Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today we'll learn how to play Stickyball Fishing. Stickyball Fishing is a young learner game. What you need to play are several sticky balls. The number is really up to you. I like to use 2, so it doesn't take too long. But what we do is we separate the class into teams. I usually play left side and right side, and then I'll have students pair up. So I'll ask who wants to go first, and whichever student volunteers, 1 and 1, they'll play paper, scissors, stone. And the loser needs to ask some question to the rest of the class. And the rest of the class will answer. It's a great way to practice asking and answering questions. Once that's done, the winner can go first. The winner will stand behind some line that I draw on the floor and take these 2 sticky balls and throw them at the pond, trying to catch a fish. Catching a fish really is just hitting one. There's one and there's one, maybe, for example. What happens? I will erase these 2 fish. So this one, this one, they are out of the pond and they go into that team's basket. So let's say it was this team, they collect 2 fish. Good, then the other student gets to go. Maybe he or she throws it 1 and 1. Okay, let's take a look. Well, it hit this one, but it didn't hit anything over there. So as you can see, the students, after at least they see one group go, will be incentivized to go earlier, because if they wait too long, a lot of these fish are going to be deleted from the pond. So one more time, I'll get back behind the camera and throw the 2 sticky balls to see, is that really that difficult? Okay, here we go. 1, and 2. Oh, a double catch! Hooray! In this situation, I hit 2, and this is great. And the students would get a kick out of this because with one cast, basically, they caught 2 fish. And I do this so that it allows teams to catch up if they are close towards the end. And that's it. Basically, it's just a review question, asking and answering game using fish and in a way that's easy enough to understand for our little kids. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye. And a special thank you to our patrons. If you'd like to join them and get extra resources, visit us on Patreon.